The world is full of mysterious and unexplained phenomena that captivate the human imagination, often sparking debates, scientific investigations, and even conspiracy theories. Some of these phenomena are deeply rooted in the natural world, while others seem to belong more to the realm of the supernatural or the uncharted. One such captivating enigma that has lingered for years is the mystery of the glowing stones found on the island of San Andrés. San Andrés, a small but significant island in the Caribbean Sea, is best known as part of Colombia's San Andrés and Providencia archipelago. Its tropical beauty, vibrant culture, and strategic location between Central and South America make it a popular tourist destination. But beneath the clear blue waters and among the island's palm-fringed shores, a secret lies hidden that has fascinated scientists, locals, and adventurers alike: the glowing stones of San Andrés. These stones, which emit a soft, ethereal glow at night, have been the subject of many theories and speculations. Some believe they are the result of natural bioluminescence, a phenomenon found in various organisms, including certain species of fungi, algae, and marine life. Others suggest that the stones might have an extraterrestrial origin, perhaps connected to an ancient, otherworldly presence on the island. Still, others believe that glowing stones could be the remnants of a lost civilization or hold some cryptic meaning tied to the island's history. In this exploration, we will delve into the fascinating mystery of the glowing stones of San Andrés, examining possible explanations, unraveling the folklore surrounding them, and considering the scientific investigations that have sought to uncover their true nature. San Andrés is a small island located off the coast of Nicaragua but is part of Colombia. It is a popular tourist destination known for its rich biodiversity, pristine beaches, and crystal-clear waters. The island is about 7 miles long and 3 miles wide, and its relatively small size belies its cultural and historical importance. The island's strategic location in the Caribbean has made it a crossroads for various cultures throughout history. It was originally inhabited by the indigenous San Andrés and Providencia people, who were later colonized by the Spanish in the 16th century. Throughout the centuries, San Andrés has been the site of numerous battles, political conflicts, and cultural exchanges, all of which have shaped its unique identity. While the island's human history is well documented, the natural world around it has also been a source of fascination. The region is home to a variety of endemic species, and its surrounding waters boast some of the most diverse marine ecosystems in the Caribbean. The island's forests, beaches, and caves have provided shelter to countless species of flora and fauna, some of which have yet to be fully studied. It is in this rich environment, filled with natural beauty and historical significance, that the glowing stones of San Andrés were first discovered. The stones have become an iconic feature of the island, attracting not only tourists, but also researchers, explorers, and scientists eager to uncover their origins. The first reports of glowing stones on San Andrés date back to the early 20th century. Local residents, particularly fishermen and farmers, began noticing that certain stones along the island's beaches and in its forests emitted a soft, otherworldly glow at night. This phenomenon was especially apparent after sunset, when the glowing stones would light up the dark landscape with a faint but captivating radiance. The glow was not like that of traditional bioluminescent organisms, such as fireflies or plankton. Instead of flashing or flickering, the stones emitted a steady and consistent light, with no apparent source of energy. This consistency made the phenomenon even more intriguing and puzzling, as it did not align with the usual patterns of bioluminescence found in nature. At first, the glowing stones were dismissed as a curiosity, a local oddity that did not warrant much attention. However, as more and more reports came in, interest began to grow. Visitors to the island were drawn to the glowing stones, eager to witness the strange phenomenon for themselves. As word spread, the stones became part of the island's folklore, with locals attributing their glow to everything from ancient spirits to extraterrestrial visitors. One of the earliest recorded accounts of the glowing stones was written by a European explorer who visited the island in the 1920s. He described the stones as beacons of light scattered along the beaches and in the forests, their glow almost supernatural in its consistency. The explorer's writings, along with similar accounts from other visitors, helped to cement the mystery of the glowing stones in popular culture. Scientific investigations and theories over the years, numerous scientists and researchers have attempted to explain the glowing stones of San Andrés. While the stone's glow remains largely unexplained, several theories have emerged to account for the phenomenon. 1. Bioluminescence and natural processes. One of the most plausible explanations for the glowing stones is that they are the result of bioluminescence, a natural phenomenon in which living organisms produce light. Bioluminescence is commonly seen in marine life, fungi, and some insects, and it is caused by a chemical reaction that occurs within the organism's cells. Some researchers have suggested that the glowing stones might be made of materials that interact with certain types of microorganisms or fungi, which could cause the stones to emit light. For example, there are bioluminescent fungi that glow when disturbed, and it is possible that similar microorganisms are present in the soil or on the stones themselves, producing the glow through chemical reactions. Another possibility is that the glow could be the result of a chemical process known as triboluminescence. This occurs when certain materials, such as quartz crystals, are mechanically stressed or fractured, causing them to emit light. Some of the stones on San Andrés might contain quartz or other minerals that, when subjected to pressure or friction, emit a faint glow. However, this theory is not entirely satisfactory, as it would not explain the consistent and long-lasting nature of the glow. 2. Phosphorescence and mineral properties. Phosphones, a type of luminescence that occurs when materials absorb and store light, could also explain the glowing stones. Certain minerals, such as phosphors, have the ability to absorb sunlight during the day and slowly release it as visible light at night. The stones on San Andrés might contain phosphorescent minerals that absorb sunlight throughout the day and release it after dark, creating a soft, glowing effect. In this scenario, the stones would need to be made of specific minerals that are capable of storing and emitting light. Some researchers have suggested that the stones could contain materials such as calcium carbonate or zinc sulfide, which are known to exhibit phosphorescent properties. However, there has been no definitive evidence to support this theory, and no one has been able to identify the exact composition of the stones. 3. Extraterrestrial origins. Another more speculative theory is that the glowing stones of San Andrés are of extraterrestrial origin. According to this theory, the stones are remnants of a meteorite or some other celestial object that crashed on the island thousands of years ago. The glow could be the result of rare minerals or alien technology embedded within the stones, possibly left behind by an ancient civilization or extraterrestrial visitors. Proponents of this theory point to the mysterious and consistent nature of the glow, suggesting that it is too perfect and regular to be the result of any natural process. Some even claim that the stones could be remnants of an ancient alien artifact, imbued with a mysterious energy source that allows them to glow indefinitely. While there is no evidence to support the idea of extraterrestrial involvement, the theory continues to capture the imagination of those intrigued by the unknown. 4. Paranormal explanations. A more mystical explanation for the glowing stones ties them to the island's folklore and legends. Local inhabitants have long believed that the stones are imbued with supernatural powers, possibly linked to the spirits of ancient ancestors or to the island's rich cultural history. Some claim that the glow is the result of an ancient curse, while others believe the stones are markers for hidden treasure or ancient burial sites. In this view, the stone's glow is not a natural phenomenon but a manifestation of mystical energy. The glow could be seen as a sign of protection or a warning to those who dare to uncover the island's secrets. This explanation taps into the island's deep-rooted spiritual traditions, where the boundaries between the physical world and the supernatural are often blurred. While there is no archaeological evidence to support the existence of such a civilization, the idea remains a tantalizing possibility. Some believe that the glow of the stones could be a form of ancient technology, perhaps a form of energy or communication that has been lost to time. The glowing stones of San Andrés remain one of the most intriguing mysteries of the Caribbean. Despite numerous theories and investigations, the true cause of their glow remains unknown. Whether the stones are the result of natural processes, extraterrestrial influences, or something more mystical, they continue to captivate the imagination of those who encounter them. For now, the glowing stones of San Andrés are a reminder of the mysteries that still exist in our world, hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. Until further research can provide a definitive answer, the stones will remain a beacon of wonder and curiosity, drawing people from around the world to experience their strange and beautiful glow.